Hello everyone. In this video we're gonna try to solve a quadratic equation using the square root property, right? So what the square root property is saying, if I have x squared equals to a k, then the x, it could be either the radical of k or x is gonna be minus radical of k. For instance, if I have x squared equals to 9, this is going to imply that x, it could be either plus or minus radical 9, and that's going to be either plus or minus 3. All right, so how can I explode this property to solve this kind of quadratic equation? And usually we can use it straightforward whenever we have only the x squared into the equation, right? There is no x factor in there. So the first step is to solve for the x squared. So that's going to be 3x squared equals to 13. So I just moved the minus 13 to this side. And then what I want to do is I want to divide everything by 3. Divide by 3. So I end up with x squared equals to 13 over 3, right? Once I'm here, I can obviously apply the square root property directly. And this is going to give me x is going to be plus or minus the square root of 13 over 3. So probably you don't see this as a multiple choice if you have any multiple choice similar to this. So what you can do is you need to rationalize the denominator. So this is going to be either plus or minus radical 13 over radical 3. And then in order to rationalize the denominator, you need to multiply by radical 3 both sides. And this should give you plus or minus radical 39 over radical 9, which is 3 here, right? And this should be your final answer, right? And if you are looking for a solution set, so solution set will be minus radical 39 over 3 or radical 39 over 3.